So we're here with Paloma.
Hey!
Miss Pretty Thing. Look at this art studio, guys. I don't think I showed this to you when I was here last. Look at this. Some nice jewelry. This is amazing. I love all the artwork. Yeah, it really captures Jamaica. Little ackee, the breadfruits. No problem. Alright, let's see. I just want to show everyone your artwork. Yeah, man, this is the artist of these beautiful paintings that showcase Jamaica. For what? Oh, you have more in here. Yeah, man. You mind if I come in? All right. Look at this, guys. Rasta. Amazing artwork. You guys, look at this little studio. It's so nice. And this is the... Yeah, man, all on canvas. When did you start artwork?
I'm a late starter.
Late starter. That's okay. It's better late than never. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Definitely. All right.
Since I start, I get a write-up in the newspaper 2 times.
Oh, really?
And 1 time in the Jamaica magazine, Grace Escape.
Uh-huh.
Self-taught and late start artist.
All right. Amazing. And what's your name?
My name is Lana, man.
All right.
And the studio is Lana.
Guys, look at the mush.
Twin.
Twin. Now y'all see. But you still got on the mess. Yes. So we're here with Paloma.
Hey.
Miss Pretty Thing here. I met her in my last hostel, and she actually said that she watched me on TikTok.
Well, not the States, in Costa Rica. Central America.
Yeah, Costa Rica, definitely. Wagwan. Wagwan.
Yeah,
We hungry, man.
Yeah, man.
We hungry.
We consume.
Alright guys, so here we are finally getting our food, our Ital food. We waited about 2 hours for it, but it was totally worth it. Good food, ain't fast food. Yeah, man.
Got our food now.
Yes.
Got our Ital food.
I know when I called you, you said you were still like haven't eaten yet. I was like,
Yeah.
you left hours ago.
I know. 2 hours we waited for this, guys. We're gonna see what it's like. Look, we're this little spot. I don't know. Just sitting down.
See the sauce a bust through the
The sauce is busting through. That's crazy.
The
Let's
Rasta
see.
did him ting. We got some
Ras.
ackee, rice and peas, coconut rice and peas. We got Irish
Yes,
potato.
good. Have you tried it?
Pumpkin.
No.
Mhm.
Oh
The
man.
beans are good. I haven't tried the ackee yet.
All right.
So that means it's time to dig in.
Guys.
Put this camera down.
Yeah, for real.
Oh, she got me hot.
Saturday, but we know how things went since it's Saturday and things weren't even open.
How much is in each capsule?
How much grams?
Yeah.
0.35 and 0.45. So the Ivy cap is 0.35 and these are 0.45. We also have the Happy Cappies, which are 0.25, so this is the lowest dose. So this is a 4-pack, and we have a 12 pack. 12 pack is for $25.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, I got my tea.
African American, but that she was thrown off a little bit.
It's a low vibe.
Anything.
Alright guys,
And the #1.
I got my mushroom tea. We're gonna update you guys. It's I'm gonna say thank you to the mushrooms for your medicine, for everything, and yeah, we're gonna enjoy it. All right. It's so beautiful, so beautiful, guys. Wow, look at this, guys. So beautiful. Yes, guys, the sunset is insane. It's different. It's just so beautiful, y'all. I wish you could be here with me. I wish we could all be here together enjoying the sunset. Insane. Wagwan. What's a guan? What we got going? What we got going on here?
I'm like, bro.
We're trying to figure out what the purpose of mosquitoes is, guys. This is an important research project that we need to know about. So what is it saying?
It's saying they're important for the food chain and the source of biomass, serving as food for fish, birds, bats, frogs, flies. And some species are important pollinators, so they work like bees and...
Okay, so
Okay, all right, guys. So there is a purpose. There's a reason for the mosquitoes because we're out here getting bitten up. And
It's murder them. That's their purpose, to get murdered.
no, absolutely not. No.
What else have
I
we
see
got?
mosquitoes are murdered.
Separating debris, pollinate plants. Yeah,
No.
there's a couple.
Oh, guys, I feel bad. I feel bad now that I'm
They literally try to suck our blood and give us diseases.
Mosquitoes, only female mosquitoes bite.
really.
Jamaican ones though.
Only female
Get
mosquitoes.
out of here! Yo,
They prefer darker colours.
Really?
They prefer certain blood types.
I heard that too.
A full moon makes mosquitoes more active.
Really?
We're going through right now.
Yeah.
Yes.
And they only need a tablespoon of water to breed.
Oh,
So
Okay.
there's
That's
an abundance
everywhere,
of that.
yeah.
That's why there's so
interesting.
many.
Yeah, I feel the mugs on me right now. Oh my god. Yeah.
What they say about the beach at night? We're not even on the beach right now.
Ganja ice
this is
cream.
where you was at now?
Yeah, I did a video here.
Okay then.
That's my homegirl in there.
Let's do that.
The lighting is cute. I want to take pictures.
Very
low-key.
Instagram.